Hello, what's up, everyone? How are you? I hope you are doing good and doing fine. And I'm also good. Last time we have practiced some of the Qigong movements. I hope you are doing good in that movements. And today we are gonna show more movements and we are gonna practice the movements we have already practiced. We have already learned before. So let's go on. Last time we have already practiced four movements. So we are gonna move to the fifth movement today, and also we will finish today and we will review all the movements together. Okay, it's sunny weather and it's kind of warmer today. We will learn the fifth movement first. So what we practiced last time, the number four move was looking at palm, right? Looking at palm. Okay, so our position for that was like this. From here we are changing the body weight and we are looking at palm, and at the same time we are moving our position, not only the body weight but also the position. So from this movement we are gonna take the next movement. Okay, next movement is the number five movement. So it's very easy, very convenient for you. This movement we have two parts. This that means it's actually five and six movements, and the last movement we have the number seven movement. We have the four parts of it. So let's learn the fifth movement first. So for those movement, for that movement we had like this, right, this. So when we'll come here, we'll take the other hand down, and at the same time we'll take the leg up, and we'll make a position that we are gonna prevent ourselves from an attack, from external attack, okay. As for example, anybody wants to attack you and you are gonna prevent their attack. Okay, so from there, like this, raise your leg and with angle with your knee. Okay, and your hand would be like this. You're preventing an attack. Then you go down and put your right hand like this and left hand with the left leg. Okay, so let's do it again. Yeah, so this is, so we will come back again here, and our both hand would be like this, and we'll be bending our knee. It's not like straight, we'll bending our knee, we'll keep this position, and at the same time we'll take the both hand. Okay, both hand. So we're gonna take the both hand up like this. Okay, but remember, when we're gonna raise the right leg, we'll put the right hand in front. Okay, just like this. Okay, then we'll open up our hand and open our leg too. Okay, then this time with the left leg, so we are gonna raise our left leg and we'll put our left hand in front. So bend our knee 90 degree, and then expand our hand, and then here we are gonna make this position again, this position, holding ball position. So this is the movement number 6, that actually movement number 8. Okay, so this movement has 4 part. Okay, first of all you see our leg should be like together, then it's like the previous movement. So just like brush our forearm and looking at your palm. Okay, so then what we will do, we will take our this hand up, and we will make our this hand like this, and we will take our left hand up, and we will holding like one arm. Remember, we are holding like one arm and taking it back, at the same time we are gonna change our body weight from right foot to the left foot. Okay, so then this left hand we are gonna do like this and gather chi from here and push our right hand like this. Okay, we're gonna push our right hand like this, and then again this movement actually called is peacock movement. We're actually brushing peacocks, that's like peacock. Okay, so after this we are gonna do like this and changing our body weight to, remember this is straight, this is bended, so like this, and then we are gonna push it back like this. Okay, push it back like this, and remember the bended knee and the straight leg. So this is the left and right side. You will always continuously move your body weight from right to left, left to right, so that you can practice the movements for your knee joints and you can strengthen your knee joint. Okay, so this is the last movement for this. Then again we're gonna take back our position and make it like this. Okay, make it like this. Then again for the left side we're gonna go like this, looking at your palm, left palm, make the this knee bended and right leg straight. Okay, so like this. Then again we're gonna take the right hand this time up and holding an arm and taking the arm back. Okay, just like you're holding an arm and taking the arm back. So like this, it was like this, and then okay, bended knee, remember the bended knee the last time, and changing the body weight. This is actually most common, this is actually very important thing to remember, changing body weight continuously. So it was like this, then taking the arm. Okay, then again gather chi from here, and at the same time rotating your forearm and pushing the forearm back at the same time. Remember the changing body weight again. So it's like this, you take this, gather chi, pushing your forearm. Okay, then brushing the peacock. Then from this movement we're gonna end the move, all the move. So here we are taking this again, and then we will take the hand down and straighten our body. From here we were here, right? So and our hand position was like this again, and then we are gonna come back and then take your body up, at the same time take your hand down. We take back our both foot, both feet, and then finish our moves. So those all are the movements we have practiced already. Then let's put it together, all together from the beginning to the end. This is the end of our video. Okay, first spreading left leg slowly, then raise hand with finger down, then this, changing body weight, remember, gathering chi from outside, then this. Okay, so then pushing. this is the end of our movement. Okay, in TCM, those movements are called 8 movements together, and let's finish it here. So those are all movements. If you have already practiced and you think it is really helpful for you guys, then like, comment down below and subscribe to my channel for future updates.